Hi, this video is to show you how to use Google Jamboard for your assignment that's been given to you today. Google Jamboard is a new product in Google. So I would suggest going to your Google Drive account and then up here in the upper right hand corner where the grid is, click on that and you can scroll through the different Google products until you get to Jamboard. Jamboard is a lot like an electronic whiteboard. So once you get to Jamboard, this will show all your Jamboards. So I have several that have been shared with me. These are the ones that the kids have done. You can see that they just separated out the 3 economic thinkers and then put some facts underneath them. Some kids did pictures, some did not, as you'll notice here. But the place where you find the area to create a new Jamboard, it is in the bottom right hand corner. You hit the plus sign. It's an orange circle. Mine is not allowing me to do that, but it's right here, plus sign. And you create a new Jamboard. So I would say one person in your group needs to do this and then share it with the other 2. So up here in the upper right hand corner, you share it just like it's a Google Doc. So you hit share. You can put in their email addresses and make sure that you give them permission to edit the document. I'm going to click out of that. So over here on the left-hand side is your toolbar for the Jamboard. A lot of kids were using sticky notes as kind of their title. So you can have a sticky note and you can put in Adam Smith is one of the first ones. Save, there he is. Maybe I want to change my color to green for the next one. So Karl Marx is another one. And so on and so forth. So maybe the third one is John Maynard Keynes. I'll cancel, and I can move these sticky notes around. Now you can decide to just add more, say yellow sticky notes for Adam Smith, or more green ones for Karl Marx, or you can use the text box. So over here's the text box with the T. I can click and do I can move these around, I can resize them, I can change the size. A lot of the kids use caption, can change the font color, whatever you want with that, okay? You can also add pictures. Here's how you add the image. Circles, if you want circles. So I could, I don't know if I can group this. I would have to play with how to do that. How to get the text over the top of the circle because it's not working. So anyway, that's how you use Jamboard. Then when all 3 of you are done, one of you can turn it in. Make sure that your name is on there somewhere so that I know or that I remember that the 3 of you did this together and that you all get credit, okay? So I will send you an email to tell you which economic thinker that you have. The article is on Google Classroom, and what you're putting in here is just what you think is most important or most essential for us to know about that economist. Hope this helps.